Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. Today I'm going to talk about gratitude. Now you may be thinking, why gratitude today? Why is this shit important? In the law of attraction, you have to have a high vibration to attract what you want. And what you want is usually on a positive vibration that makes you feel good. Gratitude is a positive vibration. It elevates, especially if you're feeling down, it'll elevate you. Now, I love this quote from Dr. Demartini. He says, what you think about and think about is what you're attracting. You attract what you think about and think about. So whatever it is that you are grateful for in your life, being thankful holds it there. More importantly, being grateful for your thought of your goal image, your spiritual prototype, your worthy ideal. Being thankful for that means that you have it and you're in that vibration because you're saying thank you for it. You visualize it and you thank the universe for it. Boom, you're on it, you're in a positive vibration, but you have to really feel good. How do you know that you're in that vibration? You're feeling. If you're not feeling good, then you don't understand how to do gratitude. Be grateful and feel the positive mood of gratitude. Okay? What I have to do sometimes is write 3 pages, then I get, okay, let me just read over what I've written because I'm just writing, I'm not feeling it. Or I walk around and start, okay, what can I be grateful for? Then I start being grateful for my feet, for my apartment, for the lights, for my phone, for the camera. Okay? That's how you do gratitude. And right after you visualize, be grateful for it, or you can affirm, thank you, thank you, thank you. Neville Goddard says, say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? After you visualized it, say a short affirmation. It is done. Or thank you. Something that says it's completed. Okay? Same, Thomas Troward says, be grateful for your spiritual prototype. It's already done. And rest assured that it will come to you. So gratitude will change your life, but you really have to practice it. If you weren't taught to be grateful, like myself growing up, then you really have to instill this in yourself. I do it every morning, midday, and night. Okay? As far as I remember, I've done it in the past couple of weeks. I've been doing it. Maybe I missed one, but I'm doing it consciously to raise my mood, to stay in that positive vibration. I'm just sharing this with you because it's really helped me. It's really helped me manifest a lot of things. I write my gratitude and then I write things that I want. Small things, and bam, 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 they manifest. Okay? So today's about gratitude. I'm grateful for you being here, for sharing your time with me, and I'm grateful that you're gonna go out there and manifest your dream fucking life. Okay? Thank you. I love you. Until next time, don't be fucking lazy. Do the gratitude. I love you. Peace. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more resources, check below, and they'll help the channel. Peace.